guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a singular rainbow loom bracelet. And if you don't know what that looks like, here's what it looks like. It's just using one by one, connecting them, and then use a hook. What you'll need to make this is rubber bands, a thing to put the rubber bands on, and a hook. I mean, you don't have to have a hook for this one since it's singular, not like triple or some other complicated ones. But you're going to start out with picking your colors. I'm just going to be using these three colors, this like cyan and dark blue, the cyan color, ocean blue, and then black. I'm going to take this cyan color and I'm just going to put it right here on two of those hooks. I'm going to take my second color and I'm just going to tuck it through. And you're going to keep doing that with each color until you get it the length you want.
Six and a half hours later.
Once you're done making the bracelet in the length you want, you're going to take your hook and take the end and the front and hook it, and take the end and this and put it on it. And it should look like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And follow me on my social media, and check out my second channel, Matt's Game Squad. I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye, guys.